Just because you are a Nigerian undergraduate, that's not a reason for you to have a pact or a bond with poverty or not being able to make money online. With basic skill or with little skill, you can actually start making money online as an undergraduate and earn extra cash without interfering with your studies. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm Francis Eze and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and also giving you information on everything that has to do with making money online. And if this is your first time coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, you're also welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so now that there is consistent strike action in our tertiary institution, in fact, as a matter of fact, strike action in the Nigerian universities is more consistent than our normal academic program. So in the 12 months that is in a year, we could comfortably have 7 to 9 months of strike as against 5 to 4 months of proper academic session, which is very, very bad. And you cannot be losing in both sides, whereby you are spending more time to graduate. A course that you're meant to do for 3 to 4 years, you are spending 6 to 7 years to graduate. And by the time you come out, your mates are already having a creative job, living a better life, and you are still struggling to feed yourself or to even afford an accommodation. Trust me, you don't want to lose on both ends. So all you have to do is, now that there is strike action, pick up a skill and start making money online. And you don't need so much. You don't have to be expert in any field and all that. You can actually start making hundreds to thousands of dollars every week or every month with these skills. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online as a Nigerian student, especially undergraduate. Okay, so that you don't have to be so much burden on your parents or on your guidance. So come right with me. Let's get right into it. The first one, or the first way you can make money online as a Nigerian undergraduate, is through graphic designing. So many businesses, so many individuals need these services. From designing banners to flyers, to thumbnail covers, to posts. So many businesses, so many persons need this service. And whether you are an artist or not, all you just need is to have interest in designing. And once that interest is there, you can actually go online, come right here on YouTube or go to Google and simply type in graphic designing free courses. And you can actually learn from the beginner level to an expert level within 2 to 6 months of being very serious with that course. And it's entirely free. And once you are already good with graphic designing, there are so many opportunities out there. The much money you make depends on how aggressive you are to market your skill or to push your skill to your targeted audience. And you could comfortably sit in the comfort of your room or your house and make as much as $100 to $2,000 monthly designing graphic content for companies and businesses. So let's hop right next to the second one, which is proofreading. Normally, as a student, most of the things we do in school has to do with read and write. So at each point in time, you're trying to go through your write-up to check for grammatical error, for punctuation errors, and that makes this skill very, very easy for you to actually have. Already you have it. Okay, it makes it very, very easy for you to render it as a service and get paid. And there are so many proofreading jobs out there. Simply head on to pick up your phone. Instead of you to keep playing games or keep doing some irrelevant things, pick up your phone, search proofreading jobs or freelancing sites out there. Get there, get an account, start getting these jobs and start proofreading content for people and get paid smoothly without stress, and it won't even interfere with your activities. Okay, so the next one is freelance writing. When people hear of freelance writing, most students feel like you have to be a graduate, you have to be an expert in writing and all that. Hell no. You don't need that. All you just need is have simple interest for writing. And when you have this simple interest, just get started. There are so many freelance websites out there where you can do writing, content writing, blog post writing for many businesses and for many companies. And you don't have to stress yourself so much to get this done. And these businesses are willing to pay you from $10 to $50 per 1,000 or per 2,000 words. Okay? So the next way you can actually make money as a Nigerian undergraduate is personal blogging. Good and fine. Blogging is one of the best ways to make money online. But the truth about blogging is this: it won't make you money as fast as every other opportunities I mentioned in this video, because blogging has to, you have to take your time and build your audience. The more you build your audience, the more you get much engagement. That's when you could start making money. But nevertheless, blog is also still a very good one, because over time you could actually start building something right now, and before you graduate, you've had a very big blog which makes you hundreds to thousands of dollars every month or at will. And there are so many opportunities with personal blogging, because once you have that audience, you can sell them ebooks, sell them courses, sell affiliate programs to them. You can sell so many things, sponsorship ads. There are so many ways you can actually make money through that blogging alone. Okay, so though the only downside to blogging is you have to put in enough work and you have to be patient, because it will take you some months or years to get that huge audience and that engagement to start bringing in income. So the next one is, you're going to like this: TikTok. So many persons are on TikTok nowadays, doing videos, doing trending dance, so many songs are trending, they create content and all that. All you just have to do with your TikTok is be strategic. Gone are those days when you burn your data, you waste your data doing something that is not putting money into your bank account. It doesn't make sense. Have your fun on TikTok, no doubt. Enjoy yourself, but be strategic. Assuming you are the kind of person that posts, funny videos and all that, or post content, and people are engaging with your content, keep doing it. But once you hit 10,000 followers, you don't have to keep doing it for fun. You have to see a way to make money while you catch fun, because you need to sustain yourself. You need to, look fly, and you need to enjoy your life. And let me give you a tip. If you have a TikTok account whereby you have as much followers as 10,000 followers, and you see that whenever you drop a video, at least you get 1,000 to 10,000 or even 20 to 100,000 views, and you get a lot of comments, nothing stops you from, whenever you want to do a video, have an apparel. You can actually have a necklace, or have a bangle, or have something that that looks trendy and shiny, and your audience are going to like this. Keep doing your video with all those apparel, and in your video description, always put the link. If you want to get this necklace I'm having, or if you like the watch I'm putting on in this video, click this link to buy. Put your affiliate link, and before you know what's going on, you could get as much as 20 to 100 sales from that video. And that way, if each sale gives you a commission of $10, imagine when 50 persons buys it. That's $500 for just posting a video and just having fun. You could also actually, whenever you do your video, have an artistic work on the background, and you can put an affiliate link to that artistic work. There are so many things you can bring into your video and make so much money from it doing your TikTok. So that's all about that. Let's head on to the next one, which is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant ranges from researching content, email services, reading email, customer service, data entry. There are so many things you do under virtual assistants. And how much you make from virtual assistants depends on your skill and the kind of job or service you are required to render. Okay, and in case you're wondering how to get started with virtual assistants, it's very simple. Google virtual assistant jobs available in Nigeria. There are so many of them. You can even sign up to freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and many of them. You could actually register on Zetral.com or other virtual assistant network and start making money. As little as $5 is something. If you can get $5 job up to 20 times in a week, it's little anyway, but over time, you improve on your skill, you charge more, and you make more money. And that way, you enjoy your life. Even when school starts, you can actually go back to school as a big girl, as a big boy. And by the time you graduate, you don't have to be, you don't have to be a burden on your parents or your guidance. And that way, once you graduate, you already have a good life ahead of you. You already have a job. You don't have to go out there and start to stress people and start to look for jobs. So that being said, let's head on to the last one, which is search engine evaluator. So many search engine platforms, starting from Google and other search engines, they know that their system is not perfect. They don't just depend on machine or bots to do all the analysis. They actually need you and I to go through their platform to check if the services and the content they render are actually relevant to the public. And there are so many sites out there that provide opportunities for you to be among people that will actually do this, go through their platform and give them feedback or give them reports on what you think about their platform, about their services. You can actually register with Lionbridge or Appen to be an evaluator, not just search engine evaluator, but an evaluator for so many other products and for so many other companies. And these companies are big enough to pay you as much as possible. Personally, I have friends that are making huge money from Appen, and they started as undergraduates before they graduated. And they are now big boys, big girls, driving cars of their choice and living life the way they want. So you don't have to actually have massive skill for you to start making money as an undergraduate. And you don't have to wait till you graduate and start praying for labor market to favors and all that. Be your own favor. Create your own favor and start reaping from that favor right now before you even graduate. Okay, so earning an extra income as an undergraduate doesn't have to be stressful or to be super taxing. There are so many simple things you can do, just the way I've mentioned in this video. Get started with them. It's not going to be easy in the beginning, and you're not going to make huge money in the beginning, trust me. But over time, it pays off. I remember when I started with Fiverr, most of the jobs I did for the first 3 or 4 months on Fiverr were $5 jobs. And I kept on doing them. But right now, I can comfortably charge $500 to $700 for a single job, which I will get completed in a day or 2, or even highest 3 days. And I will take in my $500 or $200 or $300 or $700 smoothly without stress. So starting out, don't be discouraged by the first few months when you don't make sales or you make little sales. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So don't sleep on this. Get started and start making money as a Nigerian undergraduate, even while the strike action is still there. So having been with me in this video and having watched up to this moment, thank you so much. And if you've not liked this video, kindly like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this, which you have interest in, you will be among the first to be notified. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.